Hi Wei Ning, why do you need travel insurance?
Travel insurance is needed in the case of an emergency or unforeseen situation. Take for example incidents where your flight gets delayed or cancelled. Travel insurance can help to offset the costs of your booking your flight, your replacement flight, and your accommodation, and even other costs that were incurred as a result of this delay or cancellation. Coverage is also extended to cover for the loss or delayed luggages and other personal items. And apart from this material loss, travel insurance also provides coverage for personal accidents and medical expenses. This includes emergency medical expenses and evacuations that could sometimes amount to a hefty sum. Having travel insurance therefore ensures that you are protected in such situations, thus allowing you to receive the necessary medical treatment and care without worrying about the affordability of it.
What should you look for when purchasing your insurance?
When purchasing your insurance, it is important that you ensure you are comfortable with the coverage amount for each component. This means the component for loss of luggage, loss of medical expenses. So take for example an emergency medical evacuation. In the unfortunate event that you have to be medically evacuated back to Singapore, would you wish for your family to worry about the cost? Being adequately insured could ensure that you receive unlimited coverage for such situations. This allows your family a peace of mind knowing that they would not have to deal with the horrific medical bills. Furthermore, with medical expenses making up the majority of travel insurance claims, having travel insurance can ensure that your holiday is a stress and worry-free one. But another thing to note is to ensure that your insurance covers for travel misconnection, especially if your trip consists of multiple flights or train rides. This is because travel misconnection, is different from travel delay. While travel delay merely refers to flight delays, travel misconnection refers to the event that you miss a connecting train or flight as a result of the delay of your first mode of transport. For example, if you are taking a flight to Tokyo that includes a transit in Taipei, a delay in your flight to Taipei could result in you missing your second flight to Tokyo. In the event of this travel misconnection, you could then receive compensation from your travel insurance.
What are some common travel insurance exclusions?
Travel insurance typically does not provide coverage for war and armed conflict, pre-existing diseases or health conditions, extreme sports, and self-inflicted injuries. Going to a country that the Ministry of Foreign Affairs has warned against is usually also excluded from getting coverage.
When should you purchase travel insurance?
Travel insurance should actually be purchased whenever you travel, especially when you're going for a long trip or to a further destination. Also, if you have significant costs locked into your trip, such as a one-week Alaskan cruise booked, or are bringing expensive clothing or equipment abroad, getting coverage is important to ensure that you will not be faced with having to replace this extremely expensive equipment if they were to get lost, stolen, or damaged. Ideally, travel insurance should be purchased as soon as possible. Once you have booked your hotel or purchased your flight tickets, you should consider purchasing your travel insurance. This is to allow you to receive coverage for your trip from the time that your booking was made. Additionally, with the convenience of an online purchase, travel insurance can be purchased anytime and anywhere, thus leaving no excuse for you to not obtain coverage.
Which type of travel insurance should one purchase?
Travel insurance is generally classified into 3 categories: individual, family, and annual policies. Depending on your frequency of travel and your travel companions, you may want to consider different types of travel insurance. For example, the annual travel insurance policy may be suitable for a frequent flyer. Alternatively, families travelling with children under the age of 21 can opt for the family coverage. This allows complimentary coverage for your children. However, do note that coverage for these travel insurances may vary from an individual cover. Hence, it's important that you compare between the different travel insurances before making your decision.
Thank you, Wei Ning.